If you're on the hunt for new construction homes in Las Vegas, then continue watching because today we are going to be showing homes in Henderson. Today's property walkthrough is at the Symmetry Bay community in Cadence master plan. These are built by DR Horton. Let's get started. My name is Stan Lopez. I'm a real estate agent here in Las Vegas. So if you are in the new build community homes, then continue watching. We're going to be previewing two homes. The first model we're going to be looking at is plan 1795, which is the square footage of this property. So there are 4 different elevations that you can choose from on the exterior of this house. This house is 1795 in square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-story with 2-car garages. All right, DR Horton is known for having the landscaping on the front yard done for you. So keep in mind that the builder does include the appliances. So let's walk in. So as you come into the front of this house, you can see that the pavers are really nicely done. It's gonna be in your walkthrough. This also has the home energy rating system, which is short for HERS. This is gonna be your estimated monthly cost, about $109. This also does come with a smart home doorbell system and a keypad. We have 9-foot ceilings downstairs, and we have this 18 by 18 tile flooring. To my right, you're gonna have your half bath. And behind me, you have your living room right here, your kitchen, and your dining. The DR Horton build right here feels a little bit small, but keep in mind, is more for a starter home. So if you're just moving into the Las Vegas area, or if you're looking to purchase your first brand new home, then this would be a great one to start at. Here to the left, this would be your living area, and right here would be your dining. So this would seat about 6 people. This is to give you an idea of what the house would feel like with a dining table right here in the center. Now, as we walk through the kitchen, you're gonna notice that you do have an island right here, which is about 8 by 4 feet. Okay, you got your stainless steel undermount sink with your pull down faucet. You have your osmosis system that's also included. You get the gray cabinets, and you have 2 you can choose from. It's either gonna come in white or you're gonna come in gray. But you do have these bars that come with it. They're not soft close. You have your microwave, your stovetop, and then you have your oven. These are also included with your Whirlpool dishwasher. Then you have your refrigerator that's also included with the DR Horton builds. Right here is your storage area, and right behind is the office, but this would be where your garage would be. Right here would be your pantry with the stacked shelving. Then come outside. So we're gonna check out what this landscaping looks like. It's very simple. You're just gonna cover right here if you're gonna do the landscaping. Backyard's pretty much not included when it comes to the landscaping, but it's a pretty decent size. All right, follow me, we're gonna go back inside the house. That's gonna cover the first floor. This is a little bit of a smaller build compared to the ones that we've shown you guys in the other parts of the channel. But as we walk upstairs, we're gonna go towards the right side of the house. Okay, to my right, this would be your laundry room. This does include the washer and dryer, which is great for a first-time home buyer because appliances are included with this builder. You have your stacked shelving right here, but you also have your 18 by 18 tiles included. We're entering the primary bedroom for this house. You do have 8-foot ceilings. You're gonna have a pre-wired for your ceiling fan. You do have dual sinks, but they're separated, so which is nice. So you have a his and hers. This comes with the gray shaker cabinets with the stainless steel bars. And check this out, right in the center, you're gonna be walking into the closet. Large closet for this type of home. You have a prefabricated stand-up shower with the glass doors. By the way, guys, the HOA for this community is only $50. There's no sids and lids. And if you guys are brand new to the channel, if you guys are visiting for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new uploads that we do every week. Right here, we're gonna have the bedroom with the closet. As we walk to the right side of this area, you're gonna be in another bedroom. They converted this obviously as an office, and you have the windows facing the outside on this model home. As you exit this bedroom, to my left, you're gonna have a full bathroom. And as you exit that bathroom, I forgot to mention that they do have extra storage for your linens right here. And we're going to the last bedroom for your kids with the closet. All right, so that covers it for this plan because it is a little bit smaller. So if you guys want a little bit of a bigger home, let's go check out the second floor plan. All right, guys, so if you guys are looking for a little bit of a bigger home, The one right behind me is 1865. Just want to let you guys know there are 110 homes in this specific community that they are building out. There's already 10 that's sold. The average lot size is 3,000 square feet. This particular model is going to be 1865 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, a 2-story home with another 2-car garage. They do have 4 different options as elevations for the exterior that you guys can choose from. Follow me. So as you walk in here, it's very similar to the last model. You're gonna have your pavers done in the walkthrough. You do have the home energy rating system for this one. It's gonna be estimated at about $110. This feels a little bit bigger than the last model. You do have an island in the middle as well for your kitchen. You do have the white shaker cabinets for this one, which I particularly like. That's my preference. This backsplash, don't be fooled. It's a wallpaper, just letting you guys know. You do get granite countertops, okay? White shaker cabinets. You have your stovetop burner you have a Whirlpool microwave oven. You do get the refrigerator as well, and a dishwasher. Very similar to the other model, you do have your stainless steel undermount sink. You have your faucet, your osmosis system. Then we have your dining area. Let's go check out the backyard. Very similar to the other one. It's not gonna come with the artificial grass. Then you got your living room area right here. Your living room, very open concept downstairs, so you can design this however you feel. It does come pre-wired for your fan as well. To my right, you do have an under staircase storage with your stacked shelving as well. And this is your half bath. Your half bath in the middle of the hallway right here with the storage is kind of a little odd. You're looking at this, it's gonna clash if someone's using one or the other, so keep that in mind. Okay, and this would be where your garage is, so right next to the staircase. Let's get to the second floor. As you're walking to the second floor, check that out. You have natural light that does come in. Okay, as you walk upstairs to the top, you're gonna have a loft. And check this out, guys. This area, more of an entertainment for the kids or you if you don't wanna be downstairs chilling with everybody else. But this would be a great area to entertain your friends and family. Right behind, you got your laundry room. Same thing, you got the 18 by 18 ceramic tiles. You have your stacked shelvings and the washer dryer is included. Right behind me, to my left, this is the primary bath, and to my right, this is the primary bedroom. So primary bedroom, it feels large, it's very spacious. We got the bathroom right here. They have the similar design. You have the granite countertops, you got the dual sinks, but they're not separated like the other home. You have it connected, your toilet right here, your prefabricated shower with these stainless steel sliding doors. And right behind me, you do have the walk-in closet. Walk-in closet doesn't feel as big just because it's more of a square compared to the other floor plan, which was more of a rectangle. So it felt wider, but still a walk-in closet. And to me, it's a plus in my book. You do have extra storage right here for your linen and your toiletries. Now, we're gonna go towards the other end of the house, down this hallway. This is where your kids would stay. To the right, you're gonna have a full bath. You have a sink, you have a tub, shower, and toilet. These would come with the subway tiles. These are also prefabricated as well. This would be your 3 rooms, right? They're all the same, left, right, center. To my left, you're gonna have one of them. If you have multiple kids, just do keep in mind that they are very close together. Right here is the other room, very similar. It does come with the closet as well. As we end off right here, you do have your last bedroom. All right, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below if you guys like these type of home tours. All right guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you guys are gonna be the first ones to learn anything new in the Las Vegas market for any new community builds. I'll see you guys on the next one. You have your kitchen, or you have your kitchen, I don't know why I said that. I don't know. Okay, let's walk back that way. I'm losing my train of thought.